Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kellanwa. Yes, with another cooking video. I know you guys missed me so much, and already from the title you guys already know what I'm making: the most delicious, the most sumptuous chicken stew that ever lived. Yes guys, so before I go forward, if this is the first time you're stumbling on my channel, please do hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload. I thought that by now I should be getting used to, you know, this whole lines, but we move. So you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Don't forget to leave your amazing comments down below. I do read every comment and I do respond to every comment. All right guys, so let's move straight into today's meal, because I cannot wait. So let me run you guys through all of my ingredients and then we'll start off. Okay, all right guys. So here's the layout of almost all the ingredients I'll be using. I have my pepper mix, which is a combination of tomatoes, habanero peppers, Atarodo, and some onion. Then I have my chicken, then some curry leaves. I've heard amazing things about curry leaves. It's been a long time I cooked with them, but we move. So I have my tomato paste. I love this Gino pepper and onion. It's an amazing tomato paste. So I have my thyme, mivina spice, then I have spicecity, then some dukrus curry, then I have some chicken, knorr chicken. Yes, we have the ordinary knorr, then we have the knorr chicken. So because this is a chicken dish, I'm using the knorr chicken, and I brought out 2 cubes because I feel like that's what I'll be needing. Then I have my salt in this container as an original Nigerian. Let's start cooking. So to a clean pot, I'll be adding my chicken, and to that I'll be adding mivina spice, 1 mivina spice, and then I'll be adding some salt, then some curry powder, and 1/2 of a knorr cube, because I already have my mivina in there, and mivina is a really strong spice. I'll go back to my talk to do. So to that I'll be adding some water, and I'll allow that to boil. I'll allow that to cook. So this is me just trying to turn on my gas, blah blah blah. You see why I need to make money on YouTube, so I can start using tabletop. This bending life is not for me. So at this point my chicken is ready. I'm taking it out of the pot while the pot is still on fire though. I didn't put the light off, I just reduced it. So to that I'll be adding my tomato pepper mix in there, and then I'll give this a quick stir, you know, so it doesn't burn, and you know, it mixes well, just trying to loosen up all that. Then I added my tomato paste and I dissolved it with some water, and I poured this into the pot. At this point guys, everything about this stew just goes on from here to tell you why it is maximum or minimum of a 30 minutes. So to that I'm adding 1/2 cup of groundnut oil. Yeah, you can add more if you want, but the essence of this is to boil the stew and not to fry it. So that's why I used about 1/2 cup. Yeah, so I'll be adding my thyme. Yeah, and then I'll add my spicecity at this point. I love this spicecity because it adds to the color of the stew, and it gives this distinctive taste and aroma to your stew. So I'll be adding some curry as well, some curry powder, and then give this a quick stir, and then I'm taking back my chicken. Let me point out that I'm using semi-hard chicken, so if you're using soft chicken, you can wait till when your stew is almost ready, then you can add your chicken. So to that I'll be adding 1 cup of water, which is 2 half cups, because this is a half cup of a half cup measuring cup. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but I'm going to write it on the screen. A half cup measuring cup. I added 2 of that of water so to help my stew boil properly. Then I added the remaining half of a knorr cube, and then I added some salt, and then I'm just going to give this a stir, cover it up, and increase the light and allow it to boil away so that our stew will be ready for consumption. Yeah, you can taste and you can adjust the flavors or the seasoning at this point. So my stew has been boiling for about 5 minutes. You guys can see that the oil is already started settling on top to tell you that the stew is boiling beautifully. So I'm just going to give this a stir. You taste it depending on the level of tolerance you can take in the sour taste of your stew. Yeah, you can bring it down. If you want it to be really sweet, then you're going to allow this boil for a very long time, and you know that sour taste in tomato stew is gonna go away. Well, because I don't have a microwave, so I end up warming my food. That's why I don't allow all the water dry away. So right now I'm adding my curry leaves, and that's it. This stew is ready. For all I know, I'm just going to give this a quick stir, and then while I'm stirring it, it's boiling. I'm not going to allow it boil for like 5 minutes because I still want I'm boiling it down a bit so the herbs, the nutrients or the flavors of the curry leaves will just seep into the stew. And these curry leaves take your stew from 100 to 1000. Trust me, guys. So that's me giving myself a huge thumbs up because I know I did good. And this tastes says that you have to spend the entire Sunday in the kitchen trying to make up stew for your family. This is just a stew that's going to take about 30 minutes. That is if you boil your tomato pepper mix the previous day. Yeah, I did mine the previous day, that's why. And this is what I basically do whenever I want to make tomato stew. I boil down the previous day and then I make it. You can as well boil down the day you're actually making the stew, but it's going to take a longer hour, right? Yeah, so this is how I make my stew every Sunday. Every other Sunday I decide to eat tomato stew. So I'm making some rice now, and then the next time you guys are seeing me, I'm eating my stew with my rice, and I'm saying goodbye. I love you guys. Mwah. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching.